What's he doing back there? You bury your bone. Let's get the next bone, shall we? Let's see here. Yeah, it's not quite mature enough. So I think we'll bury it over here somewhere. I think. Let's follow the dog burying the bone. How about oh yeah, right under the hammock. That's a great place to put a bone. Okay, well, we gotta put the dirt back on top of it now. Okay, good boy. Yeah, okay, that'll keep it good for tomorrow. You got it in there, Bear. I think you buried it, dog. Okay, how about the other one, Bear? Let's get the other bone now. We got 2 down, 1 to go. Let's see, Dougie. Yep, there's another nice bone there. So let's chew that up a little bit. Yeah. Oh well, actually no. Let's find. Oh, maybe I will eat it after all. You gonna eat it, or are you gonna bury it? Yeah. I've run out of burying spots. Oh, okay. Let's bury the bone. No, I'm thrilled about you doing this to my grass bear. Nope, with a rock in the way. That's no good. Let's find somewhere else. Are you gonna bury it, Bear? Oh, this is a perfect spot down here. Plenty of good dirt. How about right in the corner? He likes to do it in the bushes for some reason. Oh, in the bushes. You got to get the vegetables in there. And we go here. No, that's not good there. Down there somewhere, Bear. Aha. We all know all your secret spots now, puppy. Good boy. Yeah, dig a little hole and then push all the dirt on top of it. There's none left. Oh well. And there ends the bone-bearing saga of the bear.